Right, my name is Michael Pattemore. I'm the husband of Lynda Bellingham. I had laser surgery exactly 10 years ago. I was unable to pick up a newspaper and read. Had the laser surgery and it worked absolutely perfect. Obviously you're a little bit apprehensive it's going to hurt, but it doesn't. Then my good lady wife had it done a year later. And then now we step to 10 years later where the laser, unfortunately, I was getting to the point of not quite seeing as well as I was. So I came back, had my eyes checked, and then they said I needed lenses. Now, I got to be honest with you, I'm a bit of a wimp when it comes to surgery, needles, etc, etc. So I was a little bit apprehensive about having these lenses put in. But what I can say, they put one lens in on one day and the second lens in the following day, and didn't feel a thing. Totally relaxed, and now I can read and see absolutely fine. I feel like a teenager now. When I first looked into having your eyes done, you've only got one pair of eyes. So I was living in Spain at the time and travelling backwards and forwards at weekends to London. I looked at a lot of ice companies that were giving laser treatment, and I looked at Advanced Vision Care, and I looked at Dr. Pillai, and Googled him all over, and all I could find was nothing but good. Because if there's ever a blog out there who says that he's not a very good surgeon, you're not going to use him. Didn't find that at all. Came in, found the staff very friendly, helpful, and that's why I came back again rather than go somewhere else. AVC at the moment now have got, especially with the lens replacement, it is the most, from what I'm told, the most advanced machinery there is in the UK, and I felt very confident anyway because I was treated so well the last time I came, and yes, it was a good experience. I'm a patron for two charities, Action Against Cancer and also Bowel Cancer UK. So now, with my eyes all done, with all the paperwork that they send me through and all the charity things that I do, at least I haven't got to go around with a pair of glasses anymore. I can read it and get on with my work. I've raised a lot of money for Action Against Cancer just after Lynda's death. I'm starting to do more and more. In fact, for Bowel Cancer UK, on the 23rd of July, I'm about to climb the O2 Dome with another lady whose mother has got bowel cancer. Regarding recommendations, this is the only clinic I would tell anybody to go to. My own experience, I've not had any problems. Recommendation is far better than trying to go off somewhere and get it done cheaper, because at the end of the day you've only got one pair of eyes. Oh, the day of the surgery, I mean, I've got to be honest with you, I took the Valium, two of those which relax you, and literally when you sit down and all you see is light. You don't feel nothing at all. It's just a bright light. No pain, no nothing. And coming from me, who hates pain completely, I can tell you now, it was completely painless. And it was all over and done within about 20 minutes, each eye. Well, believe it or not, I'm doing a lot for charity at the moment, as you can imagine. I've got a lot coming up over the next, especially up to the run up to Christmas. I'm actually going around the world as of the 4th of August through till the 20th of September, and I'll put a little plug in here. My book, My Lynda, comes out on the 24th of September. So if you do happen to read it, make sure you've got a box of tissues with you, because you're going to need it. And if you've had your eyes done, all right, you better read it without glasses.